with me as we do story time with Pebbles. We are going to read today a beautiful book that is a STEM activity that teaches children about math. This math fiction book opened the eyes of your children for a love for math, and look how beautifully decorated and delivered this gift box is. Take a peek with me at this beautiful book and you will see how delighted the hearers of this book will be. I cannot wait to read it with the children in my life, and this is Pebbles. The storybook about Pebbles teaches children to go beyond their imagination. It introduces numbers to them besides just tens, like billions and trillions and even non-millions. These beautiful little decorative butterflies that can be an active part of the story will fly throughout their community and ask people about the biggest number. The biggest number, it gets children thinking. If you have more than one child, there's more than one accessory, or a child will be able to engage with two toys. Very nice, beautiful addition to the storyline. Storylines are often more engaging if they have a toy to play with to help them follow along. Now, Pebbles and the biggest number. The illustrations are beautiful. This is an award-winning book, and it has a 4.9 rating on Goodreads, over 1,000+ reviews. That's amazing. So this is the story of Pebbles. Each page has a bonus fact about the amazing thing Pebbles discovers. You can read alongside the story or save them for later. You will teach your children to dig deeper and to explore the facts beyond what is just so obvious. Help them reach deeper and use their imagination as well as their cognitive abilities. How can you picture how big numbers are? This book will tell them. This butterfly, 2 eyes, 4 wings, 6 legs, and there's 42 flowers. You get the children learning and imagining about math. Look how cute these illustrations are. It can take a very young child from some simple concepts into complex concepts. Each page has a number note that helps them understand the math involved in that particular story, and it has a science spot. The science spots are really unique details like butterfly lenses. And did you know that butterflies have taste sensors on their feet? Can you imagine what it tastes like when they land on dirt? Teach your children how to imagine what animals must feel. Look at the beautiful pages here. Each and every story time will be delightful. And look at all the engaging animals they have here. I cannot wait to read this story with my children, and I encourage you to read it with yours. Look at this. Here's a fun fact about the highest temperature ever recovered, 137 degrees. Can you imagine how the animals felt that day? And it teaches them about a science spot here, focuses on how many gallons of water that camels can drink. All of the engaging animals are far beyond just math. Every child will love learning all these great facts. You can take them from simple 1, 2, 3 to infinity and introduce those concepts. One of my favorite things about this book is in the back. It's introducing new words like these: atom, avalanche, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. These are important words that kids will need to learn in their school years, but how great it is if you can get those concepts in their mind in their preschool years. What a wonderful book to read for storytime, bedtime. It's a great teacher's book. This is a little bit about the author and the illustrator. This is about the author, Joey Benham. He was wondering about numbers since he was about 5 years old, and he always was thinking big. And then he developed Pebbles and is able to share that love of thinking big with large numbers with children across the world. The beautiful illustrations are by Laura Watson, and you can see from her work that they are prize winning. Join me in introducing Pebbles to children around the world. This was provided for me for my honest review, and it's been one of the most delightful things I've reviewed because I love the idea of helping children learn about numbers, and Pebbles the butterfly is just the tool to do that. I highly recommend it.